Hello and welcome to another video from London and Home Counties Safes. My name is David and today we're taking a look at this Brattonsound Sentinel SB2 gun safe that we are installing, I believe, next week for a client, and let's take a detailed look at it. So this unit is manufactured by Brattonsound, who I think have been making gun cabinets since 1982 if I'm not mistaken. It's built and tested to BS 7558, which is the British standard for gun cabinets, and this is a cabinet for a what they call a broken down shotgun or a dismantled shotgun. So it's not a full height shotgun cabinet, it's a shorter height cabinet, and the total height of this cabinet is 839 millimeters. It's 268 millimeters wide and has a depth of 244 millimeters, comes with two locks and weighs 19 kilograms. So I've got the door open now. As you can see, it's fitted with two safe locks. They're actually safe locks that they install on them. I'll go into that in a second. But inside the safe you've got your foam sort of separation pads, so you'd have this for, I guess, for your the stock of the gun when you break them down into two components, and then your barrels would be here. I guess that's the idea of that. You've got your fixing holes. There's two fixing holes down at the bottom on the back. There's two more at the back at the top. There's this sponge base which to protect the stock in your barrels, which I'll remove, which reveals two more fixing holes. So I guess you can also use this for pistols, black powder weapons that will fit inside, and broken down rifles, but always check with your local friendly firearms officer. Oh, there's the Brattonsound logo, and oh yeah, established 1982, yeah, so I was right about that. We'll have a look at the locks next. So there's two 7 lever safe locks that are fitted to the unit. I'll operate one now so you can get an idea. So these two locks are what we call key to differ. So the key for this top one won't fit the bottom one, and vice versa, and they are numbered. So the top one on this one you see is 5328, and you'll get 2 copies of that key, and this bottom one is 5327. However, just a small thing when you get your cabinet on all of these is to watch out, is that sometimes the keys are so similar that they provide that it will kind of work the other lock but not completely. So you do really want to make a note of your particular key numbers and which fits what, so that you get it completely right and you're not trying the wrong key in the wrong lock. So in summary, this is the Brattonsound Sentinel SB2 breakdown cabinet, which we supply and install. We also supply and install the complete range of Brattonsound products, as we are a dealer for them. This is us. Check us out online, londonsafes.co.uk. The price that you see on the website includes the safe itself, free delivery and free professional installation, which is carried out by one of our own installers, not a subcontractor or anything like that. It's a vetted employee of the company, and he'll arrive in an unmarked vehicle so that your neighbours won't know what's happening. And yeah, that's it. Check us out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.